Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today again I am with you with a different recipe which I have created myself, and I'm sharing with you. And with this unique falafel recipe you will get the 4 different type of hummus recipe also, which are very colorful and healthy. All the colors get from the vegetable, so it's very healthy, vegan friendly recipe, and it's a air fried or baked version, so there is no fat involved in this is high protein recipe, you can say. So there's a different changes in the authentic falafel recipe to make this recipe, so I can get the perfect texture while I'm making the baked version. I use the boiled chickpeas instead of only the soaked chickpeas what they use in the authentic recipe, and I added sprouts and the roasted chana in this recipe also. In greens normally parsley used, but I use the mix of green like spinach, parsley, coriander and everything. In spices, we will use all black pepper, chaat masala, cumin seed powder, lemon juice, and tahini paste, uh, onion, garlic, green chili. Everything we will take it into the chopper and just make a coarsely grounded paste with all these things what we have taken. Normally they use the only soaked chana, but we use the boiled one. The soaked chana give the crunchy texture to the falafel. So to get that crunchy texture, I added the sprout and the roasted chana into this. If you find the mixture is little soft, then you can add some gram flour or roasted chana flour. I am using the roasted chana flour in this. I added 2 tablespoons of chana flour, then made the full mixture and made the patties like what we make for the falafel. I am making the 2 different type of shapes because I will serve it into the 2 different manners. So this is the one, the long some finger falafel finger you can say, and the falafel kebab. I just oiled with the brush and then air fried half of the kebab. 12 to 15 minutes is enough in the preheated air fryer. It takes my version took the around 15 minutes, and for the baked version you need to on the 200 degree centigrade preheated oven you need to bake it for the 20 minutes. You can pan fry also. I have shown you the pan fried version in the starting, but I just made in the baked and the air fried version. For hummus, I use the 4 type of hummus. This is for beetroot, I use for the red hummus, and the pumpkin I use for the yellow hummus. First, what I did, I just roasted all both the vegetable. These both vegetable I roasted. You can use the boiled also. You can use the boiled pumpkin or boiled beetroot also, but I use the roasted one here. I just made some cuts into the pumpkin, and I just sliced the beetroot and baked it for the roast it in the grilled oven. I just kept it for the 30 minutes around, and after that I used it for the hummus. You can see after roasted how it looks like. First we will make the basic hummus. For basic hummus we require the boiled chickpeas. For 1 cup of boiled chickpeas we need 1 tablespoon of tahini, 1 or 2 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can see this is the boiled chickpeas. I have taken 1 cup boiled chickpeas. Lemon juice, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. It's according to taste. You can just adjust the consistency of ingredient. It's not a hard and fast rule for this. And add some salt, cumin seed powder. We will add to this, and some paprika, red chili powder or black pepper, whatever you like you can add, and just blend it and make a fine paste. They add the tablespoon of olive oil also in this, but I just will add at the end of just as a topping to reduce the quantity of the oil into the basic hummus. In the same like what we make the basic hummus, same recipe we will add just the roasted or boiled pumpkin and some turmeric powder to get a bright yellow color. So this will be, by this method we will get the yellow hummus recipe. This is a yellow hummus. It tastes very nice, and this is a very nice way to feed vegetables for the people or kids which they don't like. Third is the green hummus or the avocado hummus. For this again I took the 1 cup of boiled chickpeas, 1 avocado, some spinach leaf also I use, that is optional, lemon juice, garlic clove, this is tahini, cumin seed powder, paprika and salt. Everything we will take and we will make a hummus with this, and you can add some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil in this. I use 1 green chili also because this is a green hummus, so it tastes nice. Everything we will blend nicely, and on the serving, when we are serving, on the topping we will add some sesame seed or and some olive oil to this. I have not added olive oil while blending, but that is optional. You can add that olive oil into the blending also. You can make hummus, and you can refrigerate it for the 3-4 days, and you can use for the different purpose, like you can use in your wraps, you can use in sandwich with salad, and you can eat salad with this, like salad vegetable sticks as a salad dressing, and in starter as a dip. There is a various way you can use all these hummus dips. This is a vegan and vegetarian friendly recipe, like both the hummus and the falafel, very healthy. This is the most favorite in Middle East region for the vegetarian and vegan option. Everywhere you will get, in all the Middle East region you will get this very easily. The fourth is the beetroot hummus. The all other ingredients are the same. We will just replace the roasted or boiled beetroot with the other vegetable what we used before, like pumpkin or avocado. In this recipe we will use the beetroot only. This beetroot will provide the bright pink color to this hummus, and that color looks so beautiful. And these all colors are so natural, so vibrant, that it's so tempting to eat. You feel tempting to eat this dips, and it's very easy way to add into the sandwich and all when you are making for your kids, which they don't like to eat most of the vegetables. So this is a nice way to add the vegetables in different form. You can see how beautiful this looks. This make you hungry to eat. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and share, subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon to get the notification. You can see how I serve. This is a single serving in the different shots form. I just serve the falafel fingers, and the other in the platter you can add all the hummus and the falafel in this. Please subscribe the channel if you have not done till yet, and hit the bell icon to get the notification for the videos. Thank you so much for watching.